Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed to protect your vehicle from the elements like no other. If you're on the hunt for the best waterproof car cover for sedans, look no further than the Favoto Sedan car cover. This cover has gained a reputation for its impressive durability and functionality, making it a top choice among car owners. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this car cover stand out. To start with, let's discuss the materials used in the Favoto Sedan car cover. This product is crafted with 6 layers of upgraded material, ensuring top-notch protection against rain, snow, and even harmful UV rays from the sun. The outer layer features PEVA material that is completely waterproof, making it an ideal choice for those unexpected rain showers or heavy snowfalls. This means that you won't have to worry about your car getting soaked or damaged from the elements. The inner layer, made from soft cotton, protects your car's paintwork from scratches, keeping your vehicle looking pristine. Now, let's move on to the sizing and fit. The Favoto Sedan car cover is designed to fit sedans that are between 177 to 194 inches long. That includes popular models like the Audi A4, BMW 5 Series, and Honda Accord, just to name a few. The package even includes a storage bag, making it easy to fold and store the cover when it's not in use. With its universal fit, you can be sure that it will securely cover your car, providing all-around protection. One of the most convenient features of this car cover is its driver's side zipper. This thoughtful design allows for easy access to your vehicle without having to remove the entire cover. Additionally, it comes with reflective stripes, which help locate your car in low-light conditions, a great safety feature for those late-night returns. When it comes to protection, the Favoto Sedan car cover does not disappoint. It shields your car from a multitude of environmental hazards, including dust, dirt, bird droppings, and even industrial pollutants. The elastic edges and securing straps underneath ensure that the cover remains in place, even on windy days. This way, you can drive away knowing your car is protected against scratches and debris that can occur from even the slightest breeze. Before we wrap up, it's important to mention that Favoto offers a 12-month product support guarantee. They recommend cleaning your car before applying the cover to ensure maximum protection. If you encounter any issues or have questions, their customer support is always ready to assist. So there you have it. The Favoto Sedan car cover is undoubtedly a standout option for anyone looking to protect their sedan from the unpredictable weather and other environmental threats. With its durable construction, thoughtful features, and easy accessibility, it's an investment worth considering for car owners everywhere. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want us to review other products in the future. Until next time, drive safe and stay protected.